Hi writers, this is your Monday morning book marketing minute with Megan, and this week's suggestion is for writers who see tons of opportunity and potential to market their books, yet are starting to feel really overwhelmed with the amount of time that those opportunities will take to pursue. Our suggestion, rather than doing that all at once and pursuing all of these different opportunities in the same time period, is to print out a 12-month calendar so you can go in and write out different opportunities that you can pursue every single month. This does three things for authors. The first thing is it looks at a calendar year and it helps ensure that nothing is going to fall through the cracks, such as awareness weeks, speaking opportunities, seasonal gifting ideas, whatever that is. The second opportunity that can happen when you look at 12 months is it makes sure that you are prepared for all of those. If you know that you want your books in store for Christmas time, that's going to make sure that when you look at that calendar, that by September you're ordering more books to have them available for purchase. And then lastly, and perhaps most importantly, when you look at a calendar year for opportunity, it's going to protect your energy and allow you to continue to sell your book throughout the year rather than burning out at the very beginning. We see a ton of authors burn out too fast by pursuing too many ad hoc opportunities, and then come 4 or 5 months later, they start to fatigue. And as we know, an author who is tired of selling their book doesn't actually sell books, because authors sell books, books don't sell books. So look at the calendar year, pace yourself. It's far more strategic, prepared, and energy saving when you do it this way. We hope this was helpful. I'd love to hear your favorite month for marketing your book in the comment section below if you'd like to share it. Otherwise, I will speak to you next week, and I hope you're having a great day so far.